Vision with action can change individual, society, and the world at large. We are so fortunate to have our predecessors with far-sightedness created this small group, Kerala Catholic Association, half a century ago in this beautiful land of pearls and smiles, Bahrain. Established in the year 1970, Kerala Catholic Association today is one of the leading socio-cultural and charitable organizations with a commendable reputation for its multifaceted activities in the Kingdom of Bahrain. KCA is also in the forefront of philanthropic and charity initiatives, weaving the most delightful and gratifying social commitment for over 50 years, an admirable span of time. We salute the vision and the wisdom of these founding members of this community, the flag bearers who demonstrated supreme perseverance, which placed this organization at such a high pedestal. The formal christening of KCA was done by late Mr. Govias, along with Mr. P.S. Abraham and Mr. John Cruz, who helped in drafting of the constitution and drawing out the bylaws, initially working under the aegis of the Sacred Heart Church, Bahrain. Later, KCA was registered under the Ministry of Labor and Social Development. The history reveals that the founding members spent hours and days together in building this organization brick on brick, stone on stone, one step at a time. The activities of KCA during the initial years were limited to Christmas celebrations, New Year cake cutting, family picnic, etc. But in a short span of time, KCA took major role in cultural activities and charity projects. KCA members literally found happiness in sharing their blessings and contributing to the less privileged through the generosity of the members and the benefactors. KCA volunteers played a major role, especially in the repatriation of the mortal remains of Indians in the early 80s. In the year 1994, KCA moved to the current premises in Segeya, and several members extended admirable contributions beyond their means for modifying and developing the new premises. At this moment, it is befitting to remember the name of late Mr. Francis Joseph, the previous patron of KCA, who extended his wholehearted support. Over the years, KCA has focused the activities more on children and families. In order to encourage and develop the talents of children and the ladies, separate committees were formed for children's wing and ladies' wing. And now, KCA is known to be the most sought-after family club in the Kingdom of Bahrain. KCA always endeavored to bring out the best from children to mold them to be better global citizens. Talent Scan is one of the major events in Bahrain which gives ample opportunities to children to groom their knowledge, develop confidence and capability along with leadership skills. KCA also conducts dance classes, Malayalam classes and karate classes for the children. KCA also has an active drama club, photography club, laughter club along with Gavel Masters Club for the children. KCA has always strived to pass down the culture of our motherland, India, and the heritage of our ancestors to our younger generations. KCA Toastmasters is one of the leading Toastmasters clubs in Bahrain, established in the year 2000, affiliated with the Toastmasters International. KCA experienced the jubilation of revolving novices turned into eloquent speakers and distinguished leaders. KCA can claim in producing leaders who then led magnanimous organizations such as Bahrain Keraliya Samajam, the Indian Club, the Indian School, Coordination Committee of Indian Associations, Indian Community Relief Fund, Syro Malabar Society, just to name a few. Aiming at all-round development of the members and to maintain a healthy lifestyle, KCA promotes sports activities vigorously. KCA encourages and provides plentiful opportunities to the players to sharpen their skills in volleyball, shuttle badminton and cricket. KCA teams have participated in various tournaments in this island and excelled in many inter-club and open tournaments. KCA was instrumental in setting up expatriate football and volleyball teams and tournaments in Bahrain in early 1980s. KCA has been instrumental in bringing numerous social leaders to this island, including Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In the year 2016, a long cherished dream came true for KCA members. The VKL Auditorium, a state-of-the-art multi-purpose hall, was built and inaugurated by the support of many members of this community. Unforgettable names of few members who immensely contributed and toiled the hours in making the dream a reality will always remain in the history of KCA. KCA has always remained as the pillars of support for organizations such as Kerala Christian Ecumenical Council, Coordination Committee of Indian Associations, and Indian Community Relief Fund. KCA was instrumental in establishing Surya Bahrain chapter and propagated and promoted Indian music, dance, theatre and culture to this island. It is appropriate to recall that KCA along with Surya Bahrain chapter contributed rupees 10 lakhs to Indian Community Relief Fund to extend support to Gujarat earthquake victims in the year 2001. KCA undertakes efforts in hosting iftar celebrations for promoting religious harmony in the Kingdom of Bahrain. The annual event is attended by hundreds of community leaders, propagating the message of peaceful coexistence and endorsing communal harmony. We are thankful to God Almighty for the amazing grace for all these years. We are extremely obliged for the benevolence of His Majesty the King, the Prime Minister, the Crown Prince, and the government of the Kingdom of Bahrain for all their support to us, and for the freedom that we, the expatriate community, enjoy. KCA has a long history to cherish and an immaculate integrity to imbibe. This video will remain a refreshing record that unravel to each of us the kind of our belonging to our land of birth, our Catholic tradition carrying on in this beautiful island. We salute our forefathers who built this organization tirelessly, upholding the Christian values and traditions, now passing through a golden age in glory and strength.